Sky 7 is live over breaking news in San Francisco's Crocker Amazon neighborhood where a police officer has been shot, and we've just learned new information about this incident in the last 30 minutes. Good evening, I'm Dan Ashley.
And I'm Kristen Z in for Amadeus. The crime scene is near Geneva Avenue and Mission Street in San Francisco's Crocker Amazon neighborhood, right on the board of the Excelsior district on the border there.
We have just learned a total of 4 people have been shot: the officer, a suspect, and 2 other people in that area. We have live team coverage. ABC 7 News reporter MELANIE Woodrow is at General Hospital, where all the shooting victims, including the officer, were taken.
But let's begin with ABC 7 News reporter Vic Lee, live at the scene. Vic?
Well, we are at Geneva and Gloria Streets here in the Amazon Crocker neighborhood. They just opened the street here closer to where the shooting occurred. Directly ahead of me is where that officer-involved shooting occurred. The San Francisco Police Department PIO, Public Information Office, will only confirm that an officer was hit and that he has been taken to San Francisco General Hospital. We have some video from Sky 7 to show you, also some new video from the ground. Let's go to that now. We are learning, however, from numerous reliable sources that the shooting occurred at or around Amazon Barbershop. The officer was shot in the leg, our sources tell us, and that he is conscious and breathing at San Francisco General Hospital. Their words. Now, the suspect, we are told, is also in surgery. We do not know the extent of his wounds, however. Our sources tell us 2 other people, and one may be a juvenile, were also hit in the barbershop, possibly during the exchange of gunfire. They are also at San Francisco General, so a total of 4 people that we know of at San Francisco General being treated for gunshot wounds. The one thing we do not know at this moment is what caused the shooting, what motivated the shooting. There was a report earlier of a man with a gun here in the Amazon Crocker neighborhood, and possibly something escalated from that. We are waiting now for the PIO, the Public Information Officer, to come to the command post, which is directly ahead of me, to give us more information. But so far, all that the San Francisco Police Department will confirm is that an officer was shot and he was taken to San Francisco General Hospital. Our sources tell us that he was shot in the leg and that he is, quote, conscious and breathing, unquote. That's the very latest here at Crocker Amazon. Vic Lee, ABC 7 News.
That is encouraging. Let's hope that is the case. Vic, thank you so much.
Sky 7 is still live over the scene. Geneva Avenue and Mission Street is a major transfer point for San Francisco's Muni. As you may know, as you look from Sky Map 7, you can expect delays on Muni's 8, 14, 14 Rapid, 43, 54, and 88 lines this evening.
Now let's continue our live team coverage with ABC 7 News reporter MELANIE Woodrow at the hospital where both injured parties have been taken. MELANIE.
Go. Well, hospital officials have come outside to talk to members of the media a couple of times now, not sharing much information. They say they are waiting for the chief, but they have said that the San Francisco police officer who was shot has non-life-threatening injuries, and that echoes what you heard from my colleague Vic Lee. We have some video to show you of a number of San Francisco police officers that we have seen here at San Francisco General Hospital. We also at one point saw, of course, ambulances coming here to the hospital, and even after the officer was brought here, those hospital officials telling us that there were other victims, and at least one other victim that a short time ago they were still waiting for that individual to arrive here at San Francisco General Hospital. So we're still waiting for quite a bit of information, including the exact number of victims, their conditions, and of course more information about that San Francisco police officer, where that officer may have been shot. But we can say with great certainty, according to hospital officials, that San Francisco police officer has non-life-threatening injuries. You may be able to see that there's a podium set up here behind me, several members of the media that are waiting for a press conference and more information, and as soon as we have that, we'll bring it to you. Live outside of San Francisco General Hospital, MELANIE Woodrow, ABC 7 News.
All right, very good. MELANIE, thank you.
And let's take another scene from Sky 7 over that area of the shooting. This is at Geneva and Mission. Lots of officers still gathered on the scene. The intersection obviously closed right now.